Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're getting this type of problem on your iPhone device, your iPhone cannot be back up. Then here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem and how you can disappear this type of notification on your iPhone or iPad device if you are getting this type of notification on your iPhone device. So first of all, here we have open setting, then scroll down and here tap on general, then tap on software update. First of all, you will have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So after that, go back, then again open setting on your iPhone device. Then after that, here we have to tap on this. So after that, here you will have to wait for a few minutes. It's processing, you will need to wait for a few seconds. So then here you will need to tap on not now. So here you can see that now that message has been disappeared and it's not available on iPhone or iPad device. So in this way you can disappear your iPhone cannot be backed up pop-ups on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.